Carol, and today we're gonna be recording my album. Come along. So I recently decided that I was gonna record my album in CDs, which is kind of like, Carol, 2025, why are you recording CDs? I don't know, honestly. So I recorded one CD, actually recorded 3 or 4. I recorded 4, and they're so cute. And like this, like it's like a picture. And now we're gonna be recording more. So let me show you guys my process behind recording the CDs. Okay, so first we have these are the covers. These are the cover front, and the back is here. So this is the cover, this is the back. They're like photograph paper. This is the one I could make. And the CDs I actually bought, oh my god, I bought them like regular CDs, not personalized CDs. So they're like just, they're CDRs, they have With Love plus extra tracks. I wrote it here because it's not only these tracks that are available, we have more. We have I Didn't Know When I Think of You, and just regular CDs. And then I have more to record, so I bought all of these all of these CDs to record, and it's like 20. And I also have my hard drive that it opens here, and there's a cable like this. So first we're gonna need my computer. So we're gonna open. Okay, now, so first I'm gonna do this. This is USB-C. I'm gonna plug it in here. Nice. It's on. Now let's open it. Empty CD. So I'm gonna put it in here. Right here. So let's come to my computer. So here I'm gonna choose Open Music, and it's my album. I added like an informational, and these are my songs. They're in order, and now I'm gonna click here, burn playlist to disk. Yeah, burn. Now it's burning. It's like an airplane, literally, like so loud. Like what the hell? And like I've been doing this, so like I've been recording them and actually been writing with a Sharpie, and like my life. With Love album plus extra tracks. I Didn't Know Anything of You, so that people know that it's just, they're extra tracks, you know. And if you found my album, like the near future, like you're gonna know, because here we only have the 12 tracks. You only have this. You only have the original tracks, which is Nobody Cared About Me, When I Meet Him, Mountain Hill, Little Did He Know, Forever You, Where You Now, Back to the Village, What You Said Yesterday, Dreamer, I Will Never See You Again, Feels, and Time, which are the original tracks for the album. But as I recently released 2 singles, I was like, why not include them? So I was like, so what? So I included I Didn't Know and I Think of You. So they're also on the CD. So they're track 13 and 14. Respectfully, yeah. So if you ask me, Carol, why are you recording a CD? So I've been sending email to a few people, and they asked me CDs, and I was like, a CD in 2025? Like what? And then I had this battle for recording the CD, because I usually don't give up on things. So I had the brilliant idea of recording CDs, and I'm like, why not sell, you know? So yeah, I bought 20 pieces on my local stationery shop, which was super hard and to find them. I only found on this specific shop, and I bought like these few CDs. I decided to make like a short production of samples, CD samples. Like if you really want a CD for my album, you can have this one. It's gonna be signed, it's gonna be autographed with Sharpie, very single core. I'm gonna give like pictures of me. I have a few pictures like that I printed. These, there are a few covers. This Mountain Hill, it's Forever You. Another one, actually printed two of these, so with love. They're playing. This is the photo shoot from With Love. So beautiful, so whimsical, so. And these are like postcards, sizing pictures. So cute, right? So the CD is done. So I'm gonna repeat this process for like 20 times, which is insane, but you know, I'm insane, so. Okay, so I'm gonna be writing. So we're gonna write with love plus extra tracks. I didn't know. And I think of you. Put a heart on this one. So it's really cute. And yeah, I'm gonna wait until it dries a little bit. So yeah, basically I'm gonna be recording for the time being. Actually burning a bunch of CDs because I'm insane. And I'm so excited to sell them. I'm so excited for people to receive them at home and just playing them. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. This was a short video of me recording my CDs. I was super focused so it doesn't go wrong. Since I recorded like 15 CDs last week that went so completely wrong. And I had to just throw them out because they're not re-recordable. So like, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.